You never fail until you stop trying. Albert Einstein. So I had to go back to the lab and study.
Success! Yes, 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 yes.
And I think I got it.
Got cheesecake and mint Oreos that we're gonna be frying today. Brought my junior chefs back with me once again. So we're gonna get into this thing. Super easy recipe, making it happen. We're gonna get this thing done, taste it, show you guys all the yumminess. Let's go and get it.
Got 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, 3/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, half a teaspoon of salt. And a half teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Batter, they mix that thing up pretty good, so that batter is nice and good. You can go ahead and dunk those bad boys in there. You see that consistency right there, almost like pancake batter. That's what you want it to look like. So again, there we go. We're gonna about to dunk those Oreos in there. I'm gonna bring it back down so you guys can see that action. But I'm gonna take the top off that fryer so we can go ahead and get that bad boy ready for when we get that bad boy in there. So take that top off that fryer just like so. That heat is ready to go. So we're gonna dunk some Oreos in there. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you guys the process up close and personal. So you dunking that Oreo in there just like that. Dunk that thing like Shaquille O'Neal dunking that basketball. You guys probably don't, you young school guys probably don't know about that old Shaq. But you see that thin coat, throw that thing in the fryer. There you go. And watch, guys, it's coming up really quick. So you gotta be ready for that thing. Let it cook just for a little minute. Then you'll flip that bad boy and you'll see that golden brown on that first side. Flip it on that next side, ready to go. It's not really a really long process. Again, it's really quick, so you got to be ready for it. You don't want to overcook that thing. Just make sure that, again, it's ready to go. It's almost ready to go already, so you don't want to overcook that thing. Let me show you how it looks when it comes out. Just like that, guys. Golden brown. Boys dressed up, and we're going to taste one of them. I'm going to show you the inside of it. So what you want to do also, I got some powdered sugar here. And I'm just going to sprinkle that on. And you just sprinkle that thing. There you go. And then you just take a bite of that thing. It's nice and gooey. Look at that. Ooh, fried Oreos in the game. I'm gonna let my babies taste it because they waiting on it. Fried Oreos, man. Hit that subscribe button. Watch my other videos. Man, I appreciate you guys. Peace.